Well, let's pretty sturdy box. And let's see. A little tool to take the wheels off, a little battery charger for the LiPo, a little owner's manual. I'm guessing this may be batteries? One battery. It's supposed to have more than one battery though. So let me start taking stuff out of the box. Maybe there's one in the car. It looks like they have the controller stuck into a box like this. Controller takes 4 AA batteries, which I have batteries downstairs. I'm going to have to go down and get them for when I actually do a video of how it runs and everything. And here, I guess these here are the other 2 batteries. That makes 2 batteries. And this here's probably the 3rd battery. And it's the 3rd battery. I guess none actually ship inside the car. Little tiny clips to take the top of the car off. I'm having a hard time getting this one here off with my fingers. There, I got it. And here's the inside of the car. As you can see, this is a brushed motor version. It's not brushless. I'm sure it could be upgraded to a brushless ESC and also to a brushless motor, but it would take some upgrading probably to do that. You'd probably have to upgrade to ESC to do that. Now I haven't charged up any of these batteries yet, but if you look here, the car has a metal bottom. Feels well made for such a small little tiny car. It does feel well made. Now, like I said, I haven't opened this up yet, so the batteries need to be charged up before I even try doing anything with it. So I have to charge the batteries up. We have metal shock towers, plastic caps on the bottom. We got a metal strut mount in the front and the back. It looks like we have a colored aluminum dry shaft in the middle, because it's, or it could be steel and painted, but I believe it's aluminum because it's painted up to match the car colors. We have a little tiny servo there in the front. I really don't see a servo saver. Well, there's a little screw down here, I guess, for a servo saver. Under it, that's going to be hard to reach. Right under, it's underneath where you have to get to adjust the servo saver. That's not a really good location for it. It'd be a lot better if it was on top to adjust, but it's on the bottom. It feels well made for such a small little car. This little car cost $100. And like, here's the size of my hand to it, you know, to give you guys an idea. My hands are not small. I'm an adult, so. It is a 4-wheel drive car, going by what the box says. And if you look, I got the red version. There's also a green version. It's 2.4 gigahertz RC system. It says it has a large capacity rechargeable battery. well worth the $100 I paid for it. Well, let me see if I can cover up where it shows my address on here. I can, okay, good. Okay. As you can see there, the car was $99.99. Shipping was $6.50, and insurance was $2, for a total of $108.49. Which, if you go to a regular toy store, you're not going to get like a little hobby grade car for that price. You're going to get a toy that doesn't perform well. This thing gets great reviews. I will make another video of running this car after I charge with the batteries and put batteries in the controllers. Well, I'd like to thank you for viewing my video. Remember to click like and subscribe.